I'm back. Let me play this game. Is City Smash. When you want to download it, you have to download. His name is City Smash. This I'll play today. I did play this last when I did a video, guys.